Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we are going to see how you can fix when you are unable to make a video call on WhatsApp. Whenever you find yourself in a position where you are unable to call anyone on WhatsApp, the first thing that you should be checking is if you have a good internet connectivity or not. You can try loading different apps on your phone and check if it is running properly, if you have a good internet connection. You can also try loading various websites, and if that works properly, this means that you have a good internet connection. So the second method that you should check if you have granted the necessary permission to WhatsApp, because when you don't do so, WhatsApp will not able to access your phone's camera or microphone, because of which you're unable to make any call. So to do so, or to ensure it, you need to go to app info by long pressing on WhatsApp. Click on eye icon, go to permissions. Here, click on camera and click on allow only while using the app. This was for camera. You need to do it for microphone as well. So this is how you can give WhatsApp access to your camera and microphone. If this doesn't help, then you can try clearing caches. For that, click on storage and caches, and from here on clear caches. You could also try uninstalling WhatsApp after backing up data. To back up your data, you need to click on three dot options present at the top. Click on settings, go to chats, click on chat backup. Here is the backup option. You have to click on it in order to back up your chat. And once the backup is done, you can either uninstall WhatsApp or go to app info and click on storage and caches. From here, you can clear storage. Once you have cleared storage, restart your phone by pressing power button. After you have restarted your phone, open WhatsApp and sign in once again. Click on the backup data to back up your chats. In this way, you can solve the problem. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.